Alright. I was debating on whether or not to record this because of reasons. I think I'm going to change my mind about doing Aviant. So tomorrow I will do Aviant unquestionably. Being as I have nothing I gotta do all day anyway, so I might as well record like crazy. I know that I have 31 episodes and I said I would stop, but I did a recap episode because of something I said. But anyway, so hey there, guys, ladies and gentlemen, Anyway, my name is Brian Bonacazzi here, and I present to you another episode. And welcome back, folks, one and all. As I present to you let me start this intro all over again. Hey, guys, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back, folks, one and all, as I welcome you to another episode of Final Fantasy Mystic Quest. And in the last episode, well, we're getting ready to wrap up this place, I think. Anyway, let's get on with the rest of the game. Okay. That's just my question. I wanted to know if I was getting to this where I need to go. And we did, we made it. There we go. Could have jumped into it, which is what I usually do, but it doesn't really matter. The door is now officially open. Now time to wrap this place up. Get it on over with, once and for all. Oh well. If we were to set up bombs like that, you know what I realized? That it doesn't really matter anyway, because it doesn't really ever count anyway if I don't, even if I got all the chests or don't. It doesn't really matter, seems like. Oh well. I'm lucky for us, we never had to sit there and flip the switch again. It's not like it's on a timer, because that would be a good thing. But I'm fast forwarding this because I want to get to there and get it over with. So let's run like bloody crazy. I do want to get this playthrough done and over with. Even though I am enjoying it, but you know, it's time to move on to better and brighter pastures and better things. Not to say that this game wasn't enjoyable or doesn't ever have a lot of playthrough value. I absolutely love playing through this game, you know. But it is what it is, and I don't even remember if I ever actually completed this on the new one by the times I actually played through it on a channel or whatever. I do know that I have played through this game so many times and remembering what a day. I think there might be something down here. Nope, not at all. But then again, this may lead to nope, not at all. Let's get on with it, shall we? You know. You know, one of the things about Mystic Quest is that it was actually one of them that actually had more episodes than any other playthrough I've ever done on this channel, period. And that's why, another reason why it's almost over. So now we get to slow down because we are now in here. In the final area of this thing. Anyway, I will see you all in the next episode. Until then.